Guys, what's up? It's Mark. This is what you call solid American muscle. This, my friends, is a 2015 Chevrolet Camaro Zl1. The Zl1 is the fastest production Camaro produced. It's insanely fast for what it is. It's got 580 horsepower. Here's the catch. Weighs 4,100 and some change on the weight side. But there's many things other that make up for that, like this. Ready? Feast your eyes. Boom! LSA engine, supercharged. Kick-ass engine. So it puts that weight kind of on the back burner while it's accelerating. Upon that, you have, I wouldn't necessarily say it's a Ram Air, but it's a super good looking hood. Look at this hood real quick. Carbon fiber ventilated hood with 4 louvers incorporated into the hood design, which accents it and has the trademark to let people know that this is not a regular Camaro, it's the ZR1. The front air dam, or the front bumper, you can also tell too that it's a ZR1 based on the front bumper with the fog lights and the daytime running lights, along with the ZL1 badge right here. There's a few things that I don't like about the car. Let me just point those out real quick. No offense against the Camaro owners, but I'm a diehard Mustang fan, but I have a passion for every single car. With the design of this car, as expensive as it is, Chevrolet couldn't come up with a better design for a key fob. So with that said, they came up with this puny, horrible looking previous design of every other Camaro and Chevrolet key fob, and they gave it a regular key. So they went through all that design to make the key fob that has a little twisty thing in it for the key that doesn't even have a key inside of it, and they left this big gaping hole, and yet they gave you a key to start the car. No push button start, nothing like that. Let's move on in here. The car comes with all that power, you need to stop. These are huge 6-piston caliper Brembo brakes. Huge, awesome brake calipers right here. It's a 20-inch wheel. This is a 285, I think. Yeah, 285, 35, 20-inch wheel. And on the rear, you got some massive 305, 35 20s on the rear with another ZL1 Brembo brake in the rear. The rest of the body is kind of the same design as any other Camaro. You got the wing on the back right here. You got the badging on the back. You got dual exhaust, obviously, or twin tip exhaust with, you know, the ZL1 can actually justify. Here's where it gets nice. Now the Camaro Chevrolet did a good job on producing this based on how the interior looks. Red stitching, suede inlay, leather side bolsters right there. And the best part I love about it most is the steering wheel. So when you're gripping this car and driving, going around the corners, you have an extremely, let me clap my feet, you have an extremely nice tight grip on the steering wheel to corner and hug the turns. It's got a flat bottom, flat base steering wheel. Once again, the ZL1 logo is incorporated in the steering wheel, which I like. The shifter, the same thing. Check out the shifter. The shifter's a suede shifter with red stitching, which is really nice. You got your boost gauge down here. You have all your volt, your oil temp and your oil pressure right there. You got a backup camera. Here's what I like most about it too, is they went ahead and put suede incorporated in the dash. Another thing my brother Dave right here pointed out that he doesn't like also, which I don't like either, is the huge piece of plastic in the door. It's absolutely massive, and it doesn't even match the car. Does it match the color of the paint? No. So it doesn't even match the color of the paint of the car. I don't know why they did it, but anywho, on with it. You guys are probably here to listen to this thing start up and rev and take off. This car has 10,000 original miles on it, one owner. And you can kind of hear the supercharger whine. So with that said, let's show you guys how it sounds. with all that said, on a scale of 1 to 10 for the money, if you would buy this car and invest this money into it for the sports car and the handling and the acceleration and the braking and the wow factor to jump in something like this, would I rate on a scale of 1 to 10 based on ones like it in its class? Probably a good strong 6, maybe a 7. The car is very big. One thing too, when you get out of the door, when you go to get out, they give you this little handle right here, and you got this massive door to push open. So pulling it and pushing it open, not much leverage right there. Design kind of flaw in my opinion. But anyways, it's a nice car. I like it. It's different. Camaro definitely stepped up when they made this car. So yeah, I guess that's all there is to it. This is Mark signing out. Hope you guys liked the video. Subscribe, hit the notification button, and I'll show you guys inside on the end of this video right here, the acceleration. If I can get a quick video before the customer comes. What's that? Yeah, let's underneath the hood. You already showed them the hood?
I don't think we topped the hood, man.
I did, yeah.
You did?
I said, look at the supercharger.
Oh, yeah, okay.
So yeah, you guys probably want to see under the hood one more time. Check it out. What the hell is that? Oh yeah, it's got heads-up display too. How many minutes are we at?
7:23.
All right, we're gonna end it now, guys. But I hope you guys liked the video. This is Mark with the 2015 Camaro Zl1. That's all really I can think about it. So yeah, hope you guys liked the video. This is Mark signing out. Peace out, subscribe.